individuals has emerged, known far and wide as the superfood parents. They are on a mission to transform their families' lives through the power of nutrition, one delicious bite at a time. Meet Chef Lakita Marie, the culinary mastermind behind the Superfood Parents Playbook. With boundless enthusiasm, she welcomes you to embark on a thrilling journey to becoming a true superfood hero. But what exactly does that mean? In Nutriville, superfood parents are everyday heroes. These superfood parents lead the charge for better health, but not with capes. They lead with carrots, and whole food fats like avocados. And instead of masks, they lead with mangoes and berries. Fruits and vegetables are the disease-destroying arsenal of heroes. Are you a disease-destroyer superhero for your loved ones? Fruits and veggies fuel the mission of heroes like Veggie Vixen. Are you a Veggie Vixen for your loved ones? Dedicated to ensuring their loved ones thrive on a diet rich in faves, fruits and vegetables. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to guide your family to superhero status by reaching the highest levels of health and wellness daily. Become a plant-powered titan, a superfood avenger, or even a face crusader by earning 5 points for every fruit or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled quest where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you the heroic strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion. And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the superfood parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
Yeah, I got your order right here, bro. Touchdown, and I took one the other night. Apple Pay's not working right now.
I'm waiting at our spot and I don't see it, man. Where are you?
Yo, Mike, I have my phone on silence. My bad. What time did I tell you yesterday?
You told me to at 10:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm gonna get you your stuff, bro. Just wait. Just give me like...
Can you do 15 minutes?
No, I can't do 15 minutes. Give me like an hour.
This dude sucks as a plug.
2:30? My bad, bro. Were you waiting for me?
Yes, I am still waiting for you. Where are you?
I'm stuck in traffic right now. You know I feel bad. Can you meet me tonight?
I can't tonight. I got a flight to Miami.
Dude, you have a flight. My fault. I'll make it up to you.
This is your fourth time doing this.
I'll throw you an extra grand, bro. My fault. Alright, I'm gonna hit you later, alright? What you need? You said you need zip? I don't really have a zip with me right now, but I got a halftime on me. Is that cool?
Damn, chill, bro. You said you got that candy. You said you got a zip for me.
Bro, no, this shit is candy. More candy than Jolly Ranchers and Skittles. Come on, just give me a week, bro. I got more flavors coming in next week, bro. You smoke that shit, it literally smells like lemon cherry. When you smoke it, it's like a candle.
Yeah, how many milligrams that shit is?
Shit, I don't even know, bro. It says 500 on the packaging. I took one the other night. I knocked out for 2 days straight. They're gonna ship out the new flavors tomorrow, so I'm gonna get more shit next week when it touch down. But for now, this is all I got, bro. I got halftime of this. I got a bunch of edibles. Like, which one, bro? I got a bunch of gummies. We all gonna eat together. You know me, bro. But I got you, bro. Okay, I'm gonna see you later, alright? Oh, my bad, guys, if I haven't been responding. I'm gonna get back to all orders in like 3 hours. I'm gonna get back to everybody, I promise. I got new flavors coming in. Everybody's gonna be happy. Keep on hitting me up. Let your friends know. Touchdown, Ed. Out. 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. I'll be there. I got you. Yeah, I got it on me. The stoner patches, I got them. I told you, I'ma freaking get the box tomorrow. I'm with my mom right now. I'm literally with my mom, bro. You're gonna bother me right now about business? What's up, Pablo?
Shipping the boxes today?
Yeah, I'm at USPS right now.
What about my box?
Yes, I have the box.
Does it smell?
Yeah, no, it doesn't smell this time.
I thought you didn't package it well.
What's in the address?
I'm not driving my kids to school, just wait.
Give me the address, bro. I'm already here. Why does it take so long?
Did I not say wait a minute?
I'm already here. But you have to be on point too. No, you know I got you. Yeah, I know. It's because you took a long time to send the address. I got a little scared. I'm not like scared. Yeah, no, we're gonna make money together. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you later. Yo, what's good? The 8?
Oh, daughter done been in the game putting some skin on her name.
I was on 120. I told you 10 minutes. I know I took 30. Bro, I was so busy, dude. Like, there was so much. Like, there was an accident.
It's all good. At least you delivered, though. I'm about to Apple Pay you.
Yeah. Cash app. My Apple Pay got taken down.
Yeah, I'll just